Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we're going to talk about one of the most inspiring people in our campus life. Our favorite lecturer. I'm your host and today I'm here with my friends as my guests. Hi!
Hi, thank you for having me. I'm really excited to be here.
So today we're going to talk about Mr. Anang, a lecturer who has left a big impression on many students. Alright, let's get started. First of all, can you tell us why Mr. Anang is your favorite lecturer?
Of course, Mr. Anang is my favorite lecturer because he is very kind, inspiring, and supportive. He really cares about his student, not only academical but also personally.
That sounds great. What makes him inspiring in terms of academics?
He loves sharing knowledge and experience related to academics. He never makes things complicated for the student. Instead, he explains materials clearly and always encourages us to understand, not just memorize. He also motivates students to join organization and participate in competition.
That's really important for student development. How about his attitude towards students?
What I really admire is that he doesn't differentiate between lecturer and students in terms of respect. He treats students equally, but he still understands and maintains professional boundaries. This makes students feel comfortable and confident to communicate it with him.
I agree. That kind of lecture is rare. I heard he also likes to appreciate students in unique ways. Can you tell about you, Stan?
Yes, definitely. He often holds quiz in class, and after announcing the winners, he usually give. It might seem simple, but it really motivates for the students and makes learning more fun. He always appreciates our efforts, not just the result.
That's really thoughtful. I also heard something interesting about him sharing food with students. Is that true?
Yes, it's true. He often shares food with students and he creates a warm and friendly atmosphere. It makes students feel closer to him, not just as a lecturer, but as a mentor and role model for the students.
That's really heartwarming. How about consultation? Is he approachable outside of class?
Absolutely, he is always willing to make time for a student to consult about anything, academic issues, organization activity, competition, or even personal problems. He listens carefully and gives sincere advice. He really allows students to share their story and never make us feel judged.
Wow, after hearing all that, it's clear why Mr. Anang is such an inspiring lecturer. He is not only knowledgeable, but also kind, supportive, and genuinely cares about his students.
Yes, he truly inspires us to grow academical and personally. He is the kind of lecturer who leaves a lasting impact on student life.
Alright everyone, that brings you to the end of today's podcast. Thank you so much for listening and thank you to my guests for sharing such meaningful experience.
Thank you for having me in here.
Okay, see you next episode. Bye.